If you're a gold jewelry lover like me, you're not going to want to miss what I got from Avra Artifacts. Hey sis, my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. On my channel, I do fashion hauls, fashion lookbooks, some press-on nail reviews, and travel. So if you haven't, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on TikTok and IG. So the brand Avra Artifacts sent me a few pieces to unbox. Avra Artifacts is a jewelry brand based in Canada. All of their jewelry is inspired by artifacts found in ancient Greece. Y'all know I love some gold jewelry, so I cannot wait to get into this package. Let's get into it. For everyone who watches this video, you get 15% off of your purchase at Avra Artifacts using this discount code. It will also be in the description box below. Okay, so first impressions, this box is gorgeous. Okay, it is definitely giving me Grecian vibes. It reminds me of like some stone, like some white stone. So this is beautiful, especially with this nice gold writing on it. Let's get into the inside. This is nice. So these are the jewelry bags. They're like a suede. I love how they fold over. This is perfect for travel. You can use these for like a pair of earrings because there's two pieces to it. It's like two flaps. You can put multiple pieces of jewelry in it, but let's see what's inside because this one's kind of weighty and I'm excited. So first up is the Nikki statement necklace. This is what I ordered and this is what I got. Oh my gosh. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Like, it's nice and weighty. The gold is not like too yellow, okay? Because we know how that can be. And it's just a beautiful piece. And I love that it comes with this like board that you attach it to for, you know, travel purposes or, you know, a little spend a night bag, whatever. The Nikki statement necklace pays homage to the god of victory, Nike. This is just gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear this. She's beautiful. She is stunning. She is a moment. Next up, this is what I ordered and this is what I got. This is the core herringbone bracelet. I'm obsessed. I love herringbone bracelets. The color and the shine on this is divine, okay? I think this is gorgeous. This is one of their staple pieces. So I feel like it's going to be with them no matter what season, no matter what collection. So I'm really excited that I got this. You can do so much with this bracelet. You can dress it up, dress it down. You can wear it with a t-shirt or even an evening gown. I'm really excited because this one might not come off my wrist. So next up, this is what I ordered, is the core herringbone necklace. I love herringbone. It reminds me of the 80s, okay? So I had to get the necklace as well. Again, this is one of their staple pieces. All of their pieces are vacuum coated with 14 karat gold. Get into it. Get into it. This is gorgeous. Again, the gold is not too yellow. It's such a beautiful, rich tone of gold, and it's so shiny. It's so shiny. I'm so excited. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Next up, this is what I ordered. This is what I got. This is the Amos cuff in gold. She is stunning. She is stunning. And the inside of this bracelet, the detail of the inside of this bracelet is just gorgeous. I am obsessed with this bracelet now that I've seen it, okay? Like I was obsessed with it on the website, but she is stunning. She is stunning. Like this hammered gold effect. And then they have a Greek meander design that goes all the way through on the inside of the cuff. It's beautiful. Like, look at this handiwork. Oh my gosh. This one is definitely a statement piece. New Year's Eve, here I come. Okay. Party all day. This is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Like, she is the moment, as they say. Very, very happy with these pieces from Avra. But can we get into her? Can we get into her? She's beautiful. She is beautiful. So I hope that you love that quick unboxing. Again, all of these pieces are from Avra Artifacts, and you can get 15% off of your purchase with my code here. And I'll be sure to link everything that I showed in this video in the description box below. So until next time, sis, watch this video that was picked specifically for you.